अप टु हामी आज कता जाँदैछौँ रे भन्ने साथीहरू आज छैनन् म एक्लै ड्राइभ गरिरहेको छु आज इट्स अ अनप्लान्ड ट्रिप इट्स अ भेरी ब्युटिफुल डे सनी डे द्याट्स वाइ यु नो आई मेड अप माइसेल्फ दिस प्लान वेल इफ यु आस्क मी अबाउट Reno, do you love it or not? Probably my answer would be always I love it, I hate it. I sent a couple of beautiful footages to one of my best friend who is right now in UK, and he replied me, "These places are so gorgeous, so stunning." And so he replied me that I am very, very, very lucky to be very close to this wilderness. And in some part, I have to answer that. I'm lucky in this situation, in this context, to be part of this wilderness, to be part of Reno. Yeah, I love it. There are a lot of the good and bad memories there and there, right there. That's the place, I like to remember always. That's a very good memory. I often come to this place just to remember him. That's a very good old memories. I feel like I'm so unlucky. I'm so unlucky in the sense that I lost a couple of my beloved ones back to back in a series. That's why I would say myself I'm so unlucky. Is it my bad fate that I have to that I have to bear for the lifelong, for my whole life? I don't know how much I'm gonna take this as a memory. I'm quite in dilemma. Can I be able to erase this, or I shouldn't erase this? Alright, let's get back into the business. What I have to show you.
ल यो पछाडिपट्टि देखेको चाहिँ वासुलेको on the way to Carson City.
That's Interstate 580, Interstate Highway in Western Nevada, and it runs concurrently with US 395, where there is an intersection in the US 50 near the southern boundary of Carson City to Reno, and finally it gets connected with the interchange with I-80 in Reno. Today I got some peace of mind. It's the peace of mind I always wanted. It's the place I often come over here just to get relaxed, just to freshen up. Whenever you got some entanglement in any of the memories,